Okay guys, on May 13, 2024, now you can see that this is my plant of Crassula tenelli bling. The botanical name of this plant is Crassula mesembryanthemoides. Now you can see that there is a little bit of rust fungus on this plant, but this is my only mature plant, so I will just use this for stem propagation. For this rust fungus, we will just spray some sort of anti-fungal spray. Now we have taken our stem and now we are just removing its lower leaves, because these lower leaves will cause fungal rot when come in contact with the soil. So now we have removed all the leaves. Now we have cut it from this point. So now we have to keep it in the shade. On May 23, 2024, that is after 10 days. Now you can see that I have taken my media, and media is very sandy. It consists of 50% simple sand, the thick one, and 50% simple garden soil. And you can observe its drainage, that when I used to pour the water just seeps down and soon it will come out from the bottom holes of the pot. So this is an indication for better drainage. Now you can see that after 10 days our stem is a little bit wilted, but still it is okay. It will survive as it is a succulent plant. Usually the rate of succulent survival is about 99.9% in my area. Okay, now you can see that we can still see the rust fungus on this plant, but I will make another video that how you can treat this rust fungus, which is in the form of these brown spots. So on July 9, 2024, that is after 1 month and 26 days, now you can see that our cutting has survived. It is battling to cure its problems, that is rust fungus problem. And now we will see that how much progress it has shown. Okay, now you can see that it has developed certain roots. It has developed a good root ball, because the succulents do not used to produce a lot of roots, and their roots are a little bit shallow as well. Now you can see that how stable the health of our cutting is. Now again we will put it like this, because we have to put it again in under the green net. Now I am just zooming it out so that you can see properly the leaf texture of this plant and all other things. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.